Hey guys, thanks for watching. Welcome to my channel. My first video, my dad's with me here today.
Hey guys, what's up? We have some awesome stuff. We found these really cool pink trees to start it off. They have these little buds. Aiden, why don't you tell them what they're called?
Called Crepe Myrtles.
That's pretty cool. What is the other name for them?
Um, they're called the 100-day tree.
And why are they called that?
Their blooms last up 100 days in the summer.
That's awesome. So after summer, do they turn into different colors?
Yes, they turn fiery yellow, red, orange.
That's really pretty.
They're
But
also called seasonal chameleons.
you know what's not pretty? Trash.
Yeah, it's sad that people do
It's
this.
recycle. You know what else is sad? Dead worms, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Man. Anyways, back to it. We found these feathers, goose feathers, which means there must be geese nearby. And sure enough, next to the lake, we found some just chilling. And we were giving them some green beans. Aiden, are those okay to give them?
Yes, because they have fibers and vitamins in them. And you need to make sure that they're unseasoned and unbuttered so they can keep healthy. No bread because they have empty calories and can also lead to angel wing, where joints grow and formulate impossible to fly. And it also rots quickly, leading to bacteria and pests.
This goose wants you to subscribe. All right, next up, we flipped over a rock and found some really cool ants. What type are they, Aiden?
Red imported fire ants.
Their nest was underground. Is that normal?
Yes, it is.
And they were really upset.
That's because they're very territorial.
Whoa, that's pretty crazy. They're pretty common down here. But what's something really cool about these guys?
They can form a living raft of ants.
Like a battleship of ants. That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
We flipped over another one though, and we found this abandoned nest. So why is it abandoned?
because they're picky architects.
Wow. So what makes them so picky?
Too much or too little moisture.
How long does it take them to rebuild?
Just because of how small they are, it's surprising just a few days.
A few days. That's crazy. But we looked over and we saw these geese heading home. And it was a beautiful day to film, wasn't it?
Yep.
Yep. All right. Well, guys, thank you so much with this sunset. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah, thank you so much. Hope you liked the video. Bye.
Bye.